from the left, watch as Major Downey demonstrates the exceptional climbing performance of the F-16 as he climbs 3 miles straight up. Ladies and gentlemen, the Thunderbirds would like to dedicate this next class to all the families here today whose loved ones are deployed around the globe in the defense of our freedoms. Inbound from the left, Major Downey will demonstrate the raw power and tight turn performance of the F-16 with a maximum performance turn followed by half Cuban 8. Look over your shoulder to the right for precision flying under G and feel the power of the Diamond Burner 360. As our two solo pilots, Thunderbirds 5 and 6, rejoin with the Diamond to form the Thunderbird Delta formation. We would like to take a moment to honor those veterans in the crowd today whose service and sacrifice have given us the freedoms that we so greatly cherish. Lieutenant Colonel Moafa will now reposition the Delta formation for the Delta roll. As you take time to watch the precision required to maneuver 6 F-16s as one formation, let that serve as a reminder of not just the teamwork, but also the dedication and commitment that makes our team in the United States Air Force the most capable and credible force on the planet. As the Delta soars above, we are proud to represent the 68,000 airmen who are deployed around the globe. While our airmen, guardians, soldiers, sailors, coasties, and Marines risk their lives every day to fight for democracy, it is the families who stay behind who are the silent heroes of our military. Their sacrifices do not go unrecognized, and we thank every mom, dad, husband, wife, son, and daughter who support their deployed military member each day while they continue to fight to keep our country the land of the free and the home of the brave. And now from the right, watch the formation of 6 F-16s precisely maneuver, showcasing teamwork at its finest for the Delta Formation Loop. the Delta repositions for the Delta Burst, the flying skill and grace you see evolves from over 71 years of technical training and thousands of hours of practice and employment. Every airman who wears the Thunderbird uniform is a military member first, highly trained in a professional Air Force skill. As Airmen First, Thunderbirds use years of on-the-job training to provide consistent and credible global vigilance, global reach, and global power, giving a critical edge to today's joint warfighting and coalition teams. Wherever they have been before and wherever they go after their time on the team, the Thunderbirds are Airmen First and Airmen Always, faithfully and professionally representing their brothers and sisters in arms who are providing unrivaled air, space, and cyber dominance around the globe. Directly in front, your 2024 Thunderbirds and the inspirational Delta Burst. Our solo pilots are approaching for their final high-speed head-on pass. As they cross at show center, watch for them to climb sharply, then reverse course in a split-S maneuver to cross again with a knife-edge pass. Let's go inside the cockpit and listen as they execute this breathtaking maneuver.
Solos. Ready, hit it! Clock 99295 is on the line. Catch you 5! Solos. Ready, hit it! Roll out and pull!
Ladies and gentlemen, no other maneuver is more closely associated with the Thunderbirds than the one you're about to see. From the left, the Diamond approaches for the high bomb burst. As our Thunderbirds prepare to land, we hope you found today's performance inspirational. It is the culmination of hundreds of hours of training and preparation, representing the unparalleled devotion to duty of every combat airman in your Air Force. We encourage the young people of the audience today to dream big, choose integrity, to serve their communities and family, and to surround themselves with excellence.
There you have it, the United States Air Force Demonstration Squadron, the Thunderbirds. What an awesome display. And I won't tell the crowd how many times you jumped, but they got you.
There's jump scares, everybody. I know when we spoke to Staff Sergeant Sierra Crow earlier, she had mentioned you're going to get a little scared, and I'm a sucker for jump scares, so they definitely got me. And then after the first one, I'm like watching my back. I'm like, where's the next one coming from? But it was awesome, jumps and all. It was great performance. I'm in awe. It was my first time seeing them, so.
Yeah, there's nothing like the first time seeing the Thunderbirds. I mean, just the precision and you know, the training that it must take to execute, you know, nearly 45 minutes of precision flying like that.
And like doing so many and aileron loops in a row, it's just crazy. And seeing them go all the way straight up in the air, spin for 3 miles. The one pilot went all the way up. So it's just incredible, because I know the force on your body to do those things, to go into the loops, is an insane amount. So they have to train very well, and they executed very well today.
You see the Thunderbird maintainers on your screen right now, all the great work that they do to keep these aircraft flying, the F-16 multi-role fighter, and we couldn't do it without our maintenance professionals across the entire United States Air Force, so thank you to them. But what a great first day of this 2024 Utah Air Show Warriors Over the Wasatch. The good thing is we get to do it again tomorrow.
I know. Rinse and repeat tomorrow. We saw so many different aircraft, the F-35s. We saw the B-2, the CK, or is it KC? 135. So there's just so many, and the list goes on, and we get to see lots more tomorrow.
Well, we certainly appreciated having our KSL 5 partners with us all day long, and it's such a great partnership, and we really appreciate it. I had a great time hosting with you.
I also had a great time. It was really nice working with you, D&D, Dan and Devin. We made a pretty good duo, I must say.
All right. Well, I was going to call you Cyclone.
Oh, I forgot. My call sign, everybody, is now Cyclone. In case you missed it earlier in the show, I went on a flight, and lucky Sticky came by and gave me my call sign, so I feel officially a member of the team.
So
we'll work on yours. We'll work on yours.
We'll work on it. I got tomorrow. As a reminder, we'll be back on the air tomorrow morning. Pre-show will start at 9:25 Mountain Time, depending on where you might be. So we'll have another full day of flying, again concluding with the Thunderbirds at about 3 o'clock Mountain Time. That's going to wrap up our coverage from day one of this 2024 Utah Air Show Warriors of the Wasatch. For Devin and the 2nd Audio-Visual Squadron crew, I'm Dan Hawkins. So long. We'll talk to you tomorrow morning right here from Hill Air Force Base. Good night, everybody.
From Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, Senior Airman Drake Silberger. officer from Lakeville, Minnesota, Captain Randy Winter. Thunderbird 11, our maintenance officer from...